What does a spring onion and a yellow onion have in common? They're all the same. They're scallions. They come from the scallion family. Hi, I'm Jawar, a chef for 20 years, and today I'm going to show you how to cut scallions. You have to remove this here. Remove this. Remove this. Now we take it over here. Going to clean them. Let's turn a little water on here. Then we're going to take our towel, get a little of this moisture out of it and everything. You don't want a little too much in here. When you cut these scallions up, you can put them in primary anything. You can saute them, put them in vegetables, quiches, little things like that. They're chili, now they're clean. Then we go back over here. And you got to remember, it's a little silver little skin on here. Some people keep it on and some cuts it off. You just peel them, just pull the little skin off right here. Pull that there off. And everything went. Then we just get everything, cut the little tips off. They got to have this here little sprouts looking thing here. Then you just cut all that away. Cut that away. And you just cut. And you can cut much of this here you like, the greens or the whites and stuff. That's up to you, however you want to do that there. And there's your scallions. And there's another way you can cut these here. If you want to put them in a salad or something, you can cut them on thing we call cutting them on the bias. You can just make them a little bigger and everything like this here. And the scallion, it's a little milder onion than a regular onion, and it's a little better to use these here than using chives. So you just take this here. See, take on the bias. Now I done showed you how to wash them, cut them 2 different ways, suggested things you can put them in. I'm Jawar the chef. Now you know how to cut scallions.